Hello guys, actually I was just checking my YouTube account, but I just checked out this my account, affiliated account, which is on TubeBuddy Sport, and I have got two accounts by the way, but this one is the licensed one, and they gave me this thing, that this one dedicated video trial 10-day pro, which is active. So I will have used I linked my two social media accounts on it. It's TubeBuddy. It's actually for the YouTube channel creators, and basically for the beginners. And this channel is normally people they are using for different kind of tools to create videos, and also it's very good platform for the affiliate marketing, because I just started with it. So they here is my affiliate link. Up till now I have nothing in my account because I didn't work on it. I'll start working on it. I got 50 people to install TubeBuddy. You can apply, become very affiliate, no minimum payment, 1 year start. Okay, so this is 250 people. If you bring 250 people to install TubeBuddy on their laptops or mobiles, so you can apply to become a super affiliate. No minimum payment, free lifetime legend upgrade for yourself. You can download the book. You can download. You can talk on the forum. These are the clicks which has been so far counted for me, this one. And if you go download detailed report about your affiliate things, and if you want to read all these points, that will help you as well. Thank you. It's all about TubeBuddy. You do nothing, just share your affiliate link and you can make money, passive income. I hope you understand. Thank you.